Talk a little bit about how alcohol and caffeine can really disrupt a good night's sleep.
In terms of coffee in general, I think if you're a slow caffeine metabolizer, probably noon is the cutoff. You got to manage your stimulants. Some stimulants, for example, nicotine has a very short half-life. You could technically ingest nicotine like a couple of hours before bed, and it's not going to necessarily impact you that much. Alcohol is a destroyer of sleep. So if you're drinking, here's some pro tips. One is, let's say you're going out, try to have a cutoff like a couple of hours before your bedtime where you stop drinking and switch to water to try to clear out your system. The other one that really helps is actually enzyme. We have clients that love using masszymes before bed, especially when they're drinking, because the enzymes will help break down the alcohol. I mean, when you have liver enzymes that are really elevated because you're drinking too much, that's your body trying to manufacture enzymes to break down these toxins. And even though masszymes is not designed specifically to break down alcohol, I would say that it definitely helps.
This really is like the most nutrient rich supplements that you can find, and they are amazing. I have tried them. I absolutely love them. So use the coupon code